Hello children, we are studying about chapter 6, that is lines and angles of standard 9. Now we are going to study about two more theorems, that is angle sum theorem and exterior angle theorem. Let us start with the first one. The statement of the theorem is the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Now, if we read the statement of the theorem, we'll see that we are already told that there is one triangle. Let me name the triangle to be ABC. So, we have a triangle ABC. We have to prove that sum of all the three angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C, is equal to 180 degrees. We have numbered all the three angles for our convenience. So now angle A becomes angle 1, B becomes 2 and C becomes 3. So we have to prove that angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 180 degree. When we convert the names into numbers, the things become easy for us. So this change from alphabet to number is only done for our convenience. Now here there is a construction. We have to draw a line DE parallel to side BC. Here after drawing it, we get few more angles. We are naming them as 4 and 5. So this is the construction noted down. Draw a line parallel to side BC through A. So the line is passing through point A. Now let us begin with the proof. Let us consider BC and DE to be parallel, which we have constructed, and AB to be the transversal. Now if I consider AB as transversal, then angle 4 and angle 2 will become alternate interior angles and they'll be equal. So the first statement reads as angle 4 equal to angle 2. This is by using alternate interior angle theorem. Similarly, if I consider the parallel lines and AC to be the transversal, I can conclude that angle 5 equal to angle 3. Again, we have used the same concept, that is alternate interior angle theorem. Now, let's move ahead. Here, if we check angle 4, 1 and 5, they are formed on one side of a straight line. So, we can say that angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 will be equal to 180 degrees. But we know that 4 is equal to 2 and 5 equal to 3. So, let's substitute them. So, we finally conclude that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Now the next theorem, it is regarding the exterior angle theorem. Here the statement is, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle is formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Now when we read the question, we understand that there is a triangle. We have named it as triangle ABC. So this is triangle A, B and C. We have to number them because we want to make it simple. Now we are going to extend it on one side to get one of the exterior angle. So after extending it, that is BC, we have named one point as D. So we have got ACD as one of the exterior angles. We have numbered it as 4. Now our aim is to prove that this angle 4 is the sum of opposite interior angle, that is, it is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So, this is what we are supposed to prove. Angle 4 equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. Let's begin with the solution. Here, The same construction that we have discussed, we have noted it now. We are starting with a proof here in triangle ABC. As we have already studied about angle sum property, we are going to use it here. We can say that angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degrees. This is by the use of angle sum property or angle sum theorem rather. Moreover, if we look at angle 3 and angle 4, we can use linear pair axiom over there and we can say that angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Now, when we study statement number 1 and statement number 2, we see that the right hand sides are equal, that is 180 degree each. So, the left hand sides also will be equal. So, this is what we have noted in the next statement. It is angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to angle 3 plus 4. Now, when we check the LHS, RHS, we find that angle 3 is on both the sides. So, we'll cancel them out. And finally, we get a statement which reads as angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 4. And this is what we were supposed to find out. And this is also known as exterior angle theorem. Thank you for now. We are going to use these two theorems in the coming exercise. Goodbye by then.